how to fix, you'll need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video where I show you that how you can solve this problem, like where WhatsApp is showing this error to you, like you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. So to solve this problem, there are several steps, so let's get started. So at this step 1, you will have to turn off your Play products on your App Store or Play Store. So simply you have to open your Play Store, and here you have to click on your profile icon. It is just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply click on this profile icon, and here you have to go for the options like Play Protect. So simply tap on it, and from here you'll have to click on the settings, and again from here you'll have to turn off these two settings from here. So you have to disable it from here. Okay, so I have disabled the Play Product settings for my Google Play Store. So on this step 2, you'll have to go again with Google Play Store and go for the WhatsApp. And here you have to click on this uninstall option and install the WhatsApp again. So after uninstalling and installing the WhatsApp, your problem might be solved. So if not, go to the another option. So in this option, you'll have to go for your settings. So simply click on the settings, and from here you'll have to go for the options like apps, and from here you'll have to choose for the WhatsApp. Okay, so from here I am choosing the WhatsApp. Alright, so from here you'll have to tap on these options like false, like it will appear on the bottom right corner of your screen. So simply tap on it, and after that you'll have to move for the options like storage, and simply you will have to click on this clear cache option. Okay, so now the problem might be solved. So if not, try this last option. So on this option you will have to open your browser. So I'm opening the Chrome browser. Okay, so from here you'll have to search WhatsApp support, and simply open the contact WhatsApp from here. Okay, so simply select the WhatsApp Messenger support. So simply click on this contact us, and from here you have to choose your country over there and enter your contact number here and give the email address, and again confirm the email address, and likewise you can also confirm that in which devices or system you are using the WhatsApp account. So after that you'll have to explain here about your problem. So simply from here you can send a formal complaint message to the WhatsApp team. So after you explain the problem you are facing with your WhatsApp, the WhatsApp team will automatically directly contact with you in 24 hours. So from there they might be provide you a procedure to solve this problem. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there, and don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching.